Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard color on Nitro 5. First, make sure your laptop is turned on and you are on your desktop screen. Now look for the keyboard and find the NitroSense key. It has a small and logo on it. Once you find it, press the NitroSense key. You can see the keyboard lighting color control. Here you can turn the keyboard lighting on or off. You can also change the brightness by increasing or decreasing the level. Some Nitro 5 model also allow you to change the color. If you see color option, you can choose red, blue, purple or other color. Just click on the color you like and it will change instantly. If your model doesn't support the color change, that's okay. You can still adjust the brightness or simple turn the light on or off. Once you are happy with the setting, you can close NitroSense. Your keyboard light will stay the way you set it. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.